Hello! Today we are carrying on with division. We are doing division by grouping again, but today we are doing the picture method. That is the method where we draw pictures to help us instead of using objects. We will start with this question. This question says, there are 20 pencils. 4 pencils need to go into each pot. How many pots are we going to need? So we're going to draw pictures to help us. Need another whiteboard so I can draw pictures underneath. So we've got 20 pencils all together. 4 pencils need to go into each pot. So I'm going to draw a pot of pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to circle that group of 4. That's 4 pencils in one pot. I need 20 pencils altogether. So I've done 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here are my 20 pencils, and each pot has 4 pencils in one pot, 20 altogether. How many pots do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5 pots. So how can we write that as a number sentence? Remember, with division, we start with our all together number. We start with our whole number. So we're going to start with 20. And we are still dividing because we've grouped them up. So 20 divided by, or 20 in groups of how many? They're in groups of 4. Equals, oops, got my carpet. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So that's our number sentence for this question. Let's do another example. There are 30 books. Each shelf fits 10 books. How many shelves do we need? So we have a pink pen, 30 books. Each shelf fits 10. We need to know how many shelves we need to fit all of our books. Let's draw a picture. I'm going to draw one shelf with 10 books. So here's a shelf, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need 30 altogether. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not quite there yet. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how many shelves do we need? We need 3 shelves. Some of you, as I was doing that, you probably said, Miss Leung, you can just count up in tens, 10, 20, 30, 3 groups of 10. If you are there yet at that point where you can just count up in the numbers, that is great. You can do that. The drawing method is for those who still need a little bit of extra help because this is brand new. Okay, let's write this as a number sentence. So we start with our altogether number, which is 30. And we've put those 30 books in groups of how many? 10. And how many shelves do we need? We found out we needed 3. 3 shelves. do another example. There are 18 hair bobbles. Each child uses 2 hair bobbles in their hair. How many children have their hair done up? So we've got 18 hair bobbles. Each child uses 2 in their hair. So how many children have their hair done up? I'm going to draw a picture. I'm not going to draw children with their hair done up because it will take me ages. So I'm going to draw 2 dots. Those are the hair bobbles. And this is 1 child that has their hair done up. So 1, 2, I need to get up to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again, some of you probably in your head were saying you can just count up in 2s until you get to 18. You absolutely can, but it's good to check your work by drawing pictures. So we've drawn this out. How many children have their hair done up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 children have their hair done up. So what is this as a number sentence? Start with your all together number. Your all together number is 18, and it's in groups of 2. And how many children have their hair done up? We found out it is 9. So this is the number sentence for this question. The last question is a bit of a challenge. Make sure you can see. So this question is a bit of a challenge. So those of you who are feeling like this is like what we've just done is enough, then you can stop the video. Those of you who want to do a bit of extra thinking, you can carry on. My friend lives 20 miles away. So this time we're not actually using things that we can hold. We're not using things that we can really count. Using something a bit more abstract. 20 miles away. It takes 1 hour to travel 5 miles. So I've got 2 different numbers here and I had to think about which one I needed to underline. It takes 1 hour to travel 5 miles. How many hours does it take to get there? So this hour is kind of like the pot, and the miles are the things inside the pot. I've got 20 miles. So how many hours, how many pots do I need? I'm going to draw a slightly different type of picture this time. So I've got 1 hour and I've got 5 miles. I'm going to draw it down here. So 5 miles in 1 hour. I want to get to 20 miles. So I'm going to drive another 5 miles. That's another hour. What should I do now? Pause the video and have a think. So I've done 5 miles, that's 10 so far. I need to get to 20. So 15 miles, oops, squeezing my M. Another hour, squeeze, I need to do another 5 miles. Another hour, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh look, I've traveled 20 miles. How many hours does it take me? It takes me 4 hours. As a number sentence, what do you think that would be? 20 divided by 5, not divided by 1, divided by 5 equals 4. There we go.